Hey everyone, how are you doing? My name is Jordan and I'd like to share with you another trading idea. This time the setup is forming on pound cut, and in the longer run, in the bigger picture, basically starts from the daily chart, and on the daily chart we do have a range. Okay, that's pretty clear and pretty obvious range that we do have, confirmed with divergences and everything that we do need. Now the question is how to trade it. Well, first of all, after the bounce from the last week, and this is where the bounce happened, and the news, the price went lower, fundamentally driven. Now I do expect further continuation lower. Of course, the target is the bottom of this range, or once the price crosses below this low and you get bullish divergence completed, this is where you want to at least move the stop loss to break even, or move the stop loss to break even and cash out partially. But that falls into the management part, which is really not what we're doing here. The idea is how to trade pound cut 4-hour chart. So as we said, move down, and this move down basically broke. This is the medium of this range, right? And you can clearly see that this is also now a resistance zone. Okay, all these times the price stopped here for a reason and provided pullbacks. So boom, we have a level, we're in the middle of the channel. We do have momentum to the downside. We do have the previous price action confirming exactly what we need. And this is when we drop to the 1-hour chart, where we can see actually a beautiful divergence forming. False break number 1, false break number 2, possible false break number 3 to be developed at the moment. And now it becomes very, very interesting. Well, first of all, you can go ahead and attack aggressively already here at the end of this candle, or after one more candle. Not really sure how it's going to develop here, but after 3 false breaks and bearish pressure, attacking here on this amazing level should be a very good idea. Of course, as this is aggressive entry, we go always with much lower risk than we would normally do, right? So if you're usually risking, let's say 1% of your account, this time you can go ahead and risk 0.5% or 0.3 or so. Okay. If you want to be more conservative, of course, then you look for the most recent low, which is right here, and that's 168.85 or so, basically the most recent low. And once this low is broken, then this is where you can start the attack. Of course, you can do it with trendline breakouts, you can do it with step trading. I really don't care. The whole idea is we have a fantastic level, we have confirmation from the divergences, we have previous price action, and we have enough risk reward ratio towards the bottom in order to make some good money. Everything fits together. That means it's time for us to look for an entry. That's pretty much the idea. Again, guys, if you have any questions, please leave your comment below. Looking forward for your likes and subscriptions, and of course, don't forget to join us in the Telegram groups where we share setups on daily basis. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.